Alright, so if you're a student and you want to use Scribd for studying, notes, or research, yeah, it can actually be really helpful if you know how to use it properly. Let's go step by step. First, log into Scribd and select your interests like education, science, business, or exam prep. Now use the search bar to find study materials like textbooks, summaries, or research papers. Use filters to narrow results to documents, ebooks, or academic content. Click on any document or ebook to start reading instantly. Save important notes or books to your library so you can revise them later anytime. If you're on a subscription, download files so you can study offline without internet. You can also use audiobooks if you prefer listening instead of reading. Keep your study materials organized in your library by saving everything in one place. And yeah, that's how students can use Scribd for studying, research, and revision. It's basically like a digital study library.